Tap a screen to earn from this new airdrop. Go to Telegram and search for SwapTap. This new airdrop is going to pay you crazy coins just by tapping the screen. You are going to play. So begin to tap this screen, just that. So I'm going to guide you through on how to use everything. So here you are just going to tap the screen, tap. The more coins you earn, the more money you get paid. Yes, there is also referral. You can refer to a friend. Once a friend comes to Telegram and starts to tap the screen, you are going to get more coins, and that coins are going to be exchanged with money. There is also tasks. So here you can invite a friend, and more tasks. You are asked just to join their socials, there to follow them either on Twitter, either on Telegram, so you get more coins. The more coins, the more rewards you get. Platinum, diamond, master, gold. So all those are coins. You exchange them into money. So just tap the screen. Go to Telegram, search for Tapswap and begin to swap. Begin to tap the screen. There is also boost. You have to recharge the speed on how to tap the screen. So the screen will be tapped like so much coins will be earned immediately you recharge. There is also status. So the status shows you how much coins you've earned just by tapping the screen. So anyone who is interested in earning some money, some free cash immediately, please tap the screen. Just go to Telegram and search for this Tapswap. It's going to get you some money, some free money. Okay, you can also refer to a friend. You can whatever. Thank you. Please subscribe.